Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for, change the Apple ID password. If you have tried to log into your iPhone using Apple ID with the wrong password too many times, the iPhones as a safety measure blocks you from further trying to log in and you get the error messages. In this case, we recommend you to wait for 24 hours and then try logging in using the right password. Even after 24 hours, if you cannot log in with the password you remember, please change or reset the Apple ID password using the steps I am going to tell you. You should first launch the Settings app by tapping on the Settings icon. Once the setting page is launched, go to the profile name at the top. This opens the Apple ID page on your iPhone. Now select the password and security option on the Apple ID page. Then tap on change password option. You might need to enter your iPhone passcode to continue further. And please follow the on-screen instruction therefore to change the password successfully. Once you have successfully reset the password, try logging into your iPhone using the newly changed ID password and you are done. And next step is check the billing address and payment methods. When the billing address and the payment methods are chosen incorrectly for your Apple ID, it tends to throw such errors on any iPhone. Therefore, try checking your billing address and payment methods and changing them if it is not correct. For this, open the Settings app first for checking the billing address and payment methods. On the Settings page, click the profile name at the top. Then choose the Media and Purchases option. After that, it will pop up a small contacts menu on the screen. You have to select the View Account option from the menu. Now go to the Manage Payments option. Check all the payments method listed here. Similarly, check for the billing address and change it if it is not correct and you are done. And the next step is clear all the pending bills. It has been observed that sometimes we tend to purchase many kind of stuff on App Store and other purchases as subscription or for various apps etc. When these payments get pending on the account of your Apple ID, you will not be further able to browse the Apple Store to download any other things and hence you get this error message as a safety measure. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and then go to the Apple ID page by clicking on the profile name at the top. Now once the Apple ID page is loaded, scroll down to the bottom and click Sign Out option. Enter your Apple ID password and click Turn Off at the top right side. Then it will ask whether you want to keep the data of contacts, health and keychain in iCloud even being deleted from your iPhone. This will now sign out from your iPhone. Once done, you can sign in again using your Apple ID by going to the Settings app. Then click the Sign In to your iPhone option at the top and follow the on-screen instruction to continue and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.